Now then guys, welcome to episode number 6 on the Ecoboost Saga, and today we're going to be replacing the timing belt, actually changing it completely. So we'll be removing this timing belt, putting the new one on, showing you fitting the tensioner, torquing that down and everything like that, and then it'll be a case of starting to rebuild the car. So yeah, we'll cut out now guys and cut back in a second when we're starting to replace the timing belt. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Right, so here we go. Time to remove the tensioner. What you normally would do would be, because it's a self-adjusting tensioner, release all the slack off the tensioner and move it back. But we're replacing the tensioner, the bolt, the belt, all that jazz. So it's not too much of an issue. Right, and that is the timing belt tensioner out of the way, which now means the belt is off. And would you look at that absolute crustiness right there? That is bad. Never ideal, not what you want, and it is a very good job we're doing this replacement, because that does not have a lot of life left in it. As you can see at the bottom, freewheeling crank pulley, should I say, not cam, freewheeling crank pulley. There is the oil pump belt, and that's also in a very similar position as the upper belt. So again, good job doing that replacement. So you can see right there that both those turn independently currently, and when you torque it up, that'll hold them in position, in the exact position they need to be. So then there's no longer any rotation on them. So now let's find some of the bits we need. Apologies, you might be able to hear Josh in the background on his little project that he's doing, his partner's Citroen C1. So now, brand new oil pump belt, genuine Ford part, which is part number 1761082. That one needs to go on before that goes on the inner gear. So that's in the right position for when we reinstall the oil pump belt. So now we'll get the timing belt kit out. And on this engine, there is actually two options, one of which is 18mm, I believe the other one is 16mm. So you've got two choices. This one is the 18mm variant, which we've got, and this is part number 2122062. And what you get in the box is the brand new Ford timing belt, tensioner, and bolt, which is a good job because we're replacing it all. So what we'll do is slot them two there, you over there, and then if I'm knocking you, I do apologise. It's not ideal work. I'm not the tallest of folk, and it's quite difficult to get into the right position. So we just need to work out, because it's got like some feet on it, so you need to make sure they're in the right position. Right. So that is there. Make sure that's wound in nicely. So we'll just wind that up. So that's that. What I'm going to do now is I'll cut out and I'll cut back in a minute when I've got the torque specs for the tensioner. So we can torque that up before we pull the pin. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Right guys, so we're back in now and we're going to be torquing the tensioner on for the timing belt, and I have my fancy snap-on tech angle. As you can see, it is a bit overkill, but it is accurate. It is when it's turned on. Now go. 26 Newton meters is what they are torqued to. So that is torqued down now. So now it's time for us to pull the grenade pin. So yeah, we'll pull that grenade pin out and watch it tension it up. There we go. Pin out. And there we go. That's the timing belt installed. So now it's just a case of putting it all back together. So what I think I might do is I might just put you guys on a time lapse while I do this, just so then I can get through everything without having to go through it all, because you've seen what all the removal procedures, so it's just the exact same but the other way. So we'll see you guys soon.